Abby, can you hear me?
Yep, can indeed.
Oh. I've just been probably getting on there.
No, don't worry, you're there. I think there are a few just technical issues to get going, I think.
It's just won't be long. They're just getting it sorted now. I think they're ready to go.
Very good.
I've got the Zoom link. How can I give it to Emma?
You can't.
No. Okay.
Good evening and welcome to this 10th annual Staff Awards brought to you by Learning, Education and Development Team. These awards recognise role models and demonstrate the diversity of our staff. All I've learned about the diversity of the staff so far is that Len finds it very difficult to shut up even for 5 minutes. There we go. It's great to see so many of you here, and it is great to see so many of you unable to use the mute function. And also, yeah, I'm talking to you, Len. And also so many of you unable to share your pictures. Especially you, Lindsay Cordery Bruce, who has the most fabulous still, but we'd like to see you in the flesh. Not that flesh, actually, Lindsay. We leave it as it is. Here is a little video. Who's that talking?
All right, now.
I don't know how to press mute, love. Do you know how to press mute? Can you get one of the kids to show me how to press mute, please? This would be brilliant. Yes, one of the kids, any of the kids, just come on in, show Uncle Dave how to press mute. Yeah, that's fantastic. There we go. Great. Becky's having a laugh. Becky's there like, I can't believe this. Hiya, Becky. How are you? Oh, what a shame that he's talking to me. Becky, unmute yourself. Who's that with you? Sat on the sofa, Becky? No, Becky hasn't got the unmute thing yet. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Becky, where have you gone? Becky, who's sat with you?
It's my son, Ben, and Ethan.
Is Ethan a son as well? Or?
He is. He's my son.
Good. You don't look old enough, Becky.
Well, I can assure you I am. Thank you very much.
Well, you support your mum tonight. Are you up for an award, Becky?
Yes, I am.
What are you up for?
Ward Manager of the Year award.
Award Manager of the Year. It's you're not in A&E, are you, by any chance?
No, I'm in the Children's Assessment Unit.
That's good, because I spent the whole of Sunday in A&E. I don't know if you can see this.
Oh, I can, yeah.
I'd like to say the other guy looked worse than me, but what happened was, right, I stood on you know those resistance bands in the gym, Becky?
Yes.
One of those snapped and sprung into my face. Not very glamorous at all. I won't be going in the gym again.
Exercise is not good for you. No.
It's not good for me at all. Great.
No,
all right, Becky, you've had your moment. Mute again. Yeah? Anyway, so this is going. How do I mute this? Can somebody help me? Right, great. Let's have a little look at some of the highlights of the last 12 months.
Or not.
Or not. Can somebody wake Kerry up? Kerry's in charge of the IT. Kerry's going to do a video. Kerry, mate, it's your moment, yeah? My advice is don't mess it up. There's a good boy. Anyway, not much has happened in the last 12 months. As you can see, that video didn't go to plan. But we've had a phenomenal year for nominations. And the video's going to start any second. I can feel it, but I'm not going to pause. We've had a total of 278, covering all staff groups across the University Health Board, a mixture of individuals and teams in 17 categories. All the nominees will receive a certificate. Who wants a certificate? Better off if you'd gone for a tin of Quality Street. Never mind, maybe next year. And those will be sent out shortly without the Quality Street. Now, we wouldn't be able to hold this event without the support of our sponsors. I've got to give them a massive shout out tonight. Here comes the video. Here comes the video. Better late than never. Go for it, Kerry. No video. Right, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here it is. Anyway, the end of that video was rubbish, so I didn't want you to see that. So I'm glad we took the decision not to show the end of that. If you were in the end of that video, it will be available online, and not sure when, not sure where, but at some point I would have thought. Stupidly, I haven't introduced myself. For those of you that don't know who I am and thinking, who is this rather odd fat bald man on the screen? That's Len. But the other one is me, and I'll give you a little clue. Okay.
No, handing it.
There we go.
You're the man that sings.
Is that you, Anne? Yeah, Lash. Right, great. So I've got to thank the sponsors. So let's thank the sponsors: Cardiff and Vale Health Charity, Unison, Wilmot Dixon, Stride. We got into full screen and then it wrecks my script. Treglowan, Cleeds, BMSI, Interserve, Blake Morgan, RBW Consulting, DRAC Consulting, and ET&S Construction. Now, what I would love you to do tonight, and what I'm going to be looking at as we go along, is Twitter and social media. If you're on Twitter or Instagram, why not take a picture of your virtual party that you're having at home, like you, Becky, with your two lovely sons there. You could take a picture, maybe slap it up on Twitter. If you do, Becky, why not hashtag it? CAV, Cardiff and Vale, CAV. Zoe Hilton, did you get a good picture of me then? Should we try again? Ready? Ready, Zoe? No, I'm the one smiling, Zoe, yeah, not you. CAVSRA, that well-known hashtag. Carissa, CVASRA 20, hashtag it that, and we will be able to identify you as you go along. Ian B, were you just picking your nose? Ian B, were you just, you were, mate. I saw you picking your nose. That was unbelievable. I can't believe you did that. What is it? It's contact lens, is it? Oh, it's your year. You're putting your years up your nose. Great. That's good to know. Right. It gives me a great honor now to introduce somebody that I feel I may have offended more than I have maybe warmed myself to him. He is the Chief Executive, Mr. Len Richards.
Thank you, Wyn. And good evening and welcome everybody to Cardiff and Vale University Health Board's first ever virtual staff recognition awards. And if anybody is wondering out there, yes, I do wear a dicky bow for dinner every evening, but really pleased to be here. The Staff Recognition Awards is one of the dates on the calendar that I most look forward to, because it gives us the important opportunity to take a moment and celebrate the many successes that staff throughout the organisation work so hard to achieve, as the video has just demonstrated. This year's event has unfortunately been a long time coming, since we took the exceptionally difficult decision to postpone it back in March, when the COVID-19 pandemic was really beginning to take hold. The pandemic has been an incredibly difficult period for all of us, but I must say that I've been taken aback by the magnificent contribution of every individual and team throughout the organisation for our collective response to the challenge. I've never been more proud to be the Chief Exec of Cardiff and Vale University Health Board, and would like to thank you all for the dedication, expertise and resilience that you've shown over the course of this year. And while we should all feel that strong sense of pride, we must also reflect and remember those who we've lost to this terrible disease. Here at Cardiff and Vale Health Board, we have experienced the devastating loss of 5 members of staff who made the ultimate sacrifice, providing exemplary care for patients at this difficult time. Alan, Dominga, Gareth, Jitendra and Julianne will always remain in the hearts and minds of immediate colleagues, friends and all of us throughout the Health Board. And we will pay tribute to them more formally when the time is right to do so. We are a tired workforce and continue to face significant pressures. However, with some of our staff amongst the first people to receive the vaccine this week, there is a real sense of hope that a future beyond the pandemic is within our reach, which I'm sure will be a welcome boost to all of us. While we will hopefully soon be able to take stock and reflect on what's been a tough year for all of us, it is important that we don't overlook the outstanding work of teams and individuals in the months prior to COVID-19, which is why I'm delighted that we've been able to arrange this evening's virtual event. Of course, it goes without saying that we will certainly be recognising contributions made during the pandemic at a future event. This evening, we will see countless examples of incredible work by talented teams and individuals from right across the organisation, showcasing leadership, dedication and compassion, and above all, an outstanding commitment to providing our patients with the best possible care. I would like to share my sincere thanks and congratulations to all of our shortlisted individuals who've been recognised for going above and beyond. Standing out in our organisation is no mean feat, so you should feel very proud of your remarkable achievements. I hope you all take this evening as an opportunity to relax and enjoy yourselves, and I look forward to seeing the fruits of your continued enthusiasm, kindness and tenacity in the coming months and years. So thank you very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Len. Len has got us off brilliantly and takes us into our first award this evening, the Amplifying Our Strategy Award. And this recognises an individual or team who have progressed the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board strategy messages. To introduce the nominees and to announce the winner and runner-up is somebody we haven't heard from in quite some time. It is Chief Executive Len Richards.
Thank you, Wyn. And could I please thank Wilmot Dixon for their sponsorship of this award. So the Amplifying Our Strategy Award is to recognise an individual or a team who've progressed the Cardiff and Vale strategy. The nominations for the Amplifying Our Strategy are shown on your screen now. So the runner-up, this team has become an integral part of the multidisciplinary team. Their enthusiasm and hard work to support patients to discuss discharge options and make the right decisions to what matters to an individual. This team has helped improve remarkably the relationships that we have between health and social services. So the runner-up is the first point of contact team.
Been a bit naughty really, got me together and a pretext really of winter planning. But what I've actually come to tell you is some really good news. You know you were nominated in the staff awards. Well, I'm delighted to tell you that you were runner-up. Just wanted to say thank you ever so much for all your hard work, and this is in recognition of the dedication and commitment you showed to us.
That's fantastic. So the winner is, this team have made a really positive impact on patients and demonstrate how amplifying our strategy into action is for the benefit of our citizens. These individuals recovering from their condition meet many challenges and barriers, and this team help explore patients to make positive lifestyle choices, and in particular exercising. This team has listened to their patients and proactively implemented changes to gain benefits. The team show great examples of putting into practice the Amplify message. So the winner is the Breast Centre Exercise Prescription Team.
So that is the Amplifying Our Strategy Award. So this is my award. This is the one that I sponsor. And this is for the team. So the Breast Centre Exercise Prescription Team. So thank you very much, and thanks for your...
Thank you very much, Leonard. Thank you very much indeed for doing that. I did have your theme tune here, Len, but I didn't play it. Yeah, there we go. Brilliant stuff. So thanks, Len. Thanks for that. Right, the Education and Development Award is next, and this is to recognise an individual who has developed through education or training, impacting at a personal level and in the workplace. To introduce the nominees and announce the winner and runner-up is the Deputy Chief Executive of Workforce and Organisational Development, Martin Driscoll.
Thank you, Wyn. So yes, this is the Education Development Award, and firstly, may I say thank you very much to RVW Consulting for sponsoring this award. Thank all the sponsors tonight, but we'll do it individually. You've already heard what the Education Development Award is, so without further ado, the runner-up. Nurse recruitment is a significant challenge for all health systems across the UK. As a result, our UHB launched an overseas recruitment programme. We've seen about that in the video tonight. Overseas nurses need to undertake an adaptation programme, and the training this team has developed have exceeded expectations. The numbers of participants who are now registered nurses are evidence to the success of their delivery. Their willingness to work flexibly and to deliver under significant pressure has been way above expectations and are exemplars of our values. The runner-up is the LED adaptation programme.
Congratulations to you all for winning the runner-up for the Education and Development Award for the Overseas Nurses Programme. Well done to you all. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow, that was social distancing on another level there. So the winner of this category showed evidence of strong multi-agency engagement and delivery, providing safety messages about substance misuse to a significant number of young people. The panel was impressed by the impact on the whole system, including reduction in harm and the subsequent decrease to A&E admissions. A number of young, vulnerable people were positively impacted, reducing adverse childhood experiences and improving the health and well-being of future generations. The winner is the Switched On team.
I'm Cheryl Williams, Principal Health Promotion Specialist in Cardiff and Vale Public Health Team, and I'm really thrilled to be able to give this award to Switched On as the winners of the Education and Development Award, the Staff Recognition Awards.
Brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. Fabulous stuff there. Might I suggest next year, Martin, lift the iPad a little higher. You lose a couple of chins. Right, okay, so, look, everybody's like, I can't believe he said that. Did he actually say that? Martin's taking it well.
All right, that's it. Coming next year. I'm not coming.
Don't worry, Len's got plans anyway. So, right, Martin. No, seriously, that moustache rivals mine. Right, okay, I'm going to Twitter now, if I may. And Victoria Collins. There you are, Victoria. Hello. Sparkles. Are you still in work, Victoria? Yes. And you're both Spark. Which one's Victoria? Who's the other one then? God. Yeah, I know. By pointing to the other one, I can see that that's the other one. Hello. How are you?
I nominated Victoria.
You nominated Victoria. Which award are you up for, Victoria?
3.
The next one. Or 3
I don't
awards.
know the next one.
You're up for 3 awards. All right.
Yeah.
Don't be, no one likes anybody that's smug. Thank you very much, Victoria. Good luck with you. Here's my favourite one of the night. Lisa Caudry. Where are you, Lisa? Hiya, Lisa. I'm trying to look for Lisa. Can't find Lisa anywhere. Oh, there you are, Lisa. Lisa says, unexpectedly funny evening. Right, great. Thanks for that. Very good. I noticed Fionn as well. Fionn, hi, Fionn. You've lost your little girl. You had your little girl in the first one. If I were you, I'd keep her there because if you've got a child, you can't really lose because nobody wants to see a child crying at Christmas, do they? So she's gone to sleep. She's gone to sleep. I tell you what, this is like a giant edition of Give Us a Clue. This is brilliant. Sherrod, is it a film? Is it a film, Fionn? No, it's not a film. Right, okay, let's get on to the next award. Now, these are the big guns. We're getting the big guns out now. It is Manager of the Year. Woohoo! Go on, Ab 082155.
That is me. And I am giving out this award.
Oh, well done. Have you changed your name? Ab, have you changed your name to your actual number plate?
Yep. That's what
great.
I'm known as. Yep,
excellent. So here to present this award is Ab 082155.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm Abby Harris, the Director of Strategic Planning here in the Health Board, and I'm really pleased to be announcing the Manager of the Year award. Throughout our careers, I guess we always reflect on those good managers who pushed us, encouraged us, supported us, and helped us along our way in terms of our careers. Before I announce the nominations, can I thank Gleeds who sponsored this. Gleeds work with us on our big construction projects, so they're very much involved with Rookwood and in the works at CRI. And I've been watching Twitter, and I know that Nicola Stacey Jones from Gleeds is watching us from at home. So, Manager of the Year award. So this recognises an individual who's demonstrated a really positive difference through their management. It's about how they encourage, support and inspire others who work with them in their teams. So the nominations for Manager of the Year, which is always a popular award, should be on the screen now. And we won't run through the names. There they are. Okay, so drum roll, please. The runner-up. So the runner-up is an individual who's demonstrated how they support their staff in delivering high quality services. They're recognised as a manager who encourages the team to think outside the box to identify solutions to the problems that they're facing and to improve services for our patients. And the team have described this individual as truly inspirational. Ladies and gentlemen, the runner-up is Stuart Davis.
I nominated you for Manager of the Year.
Yeah.
The reason I nominated you was because I felt that you're really supportive, not just in work but with personal issues as well.
Good.
I know obviously you're aware of what we've done as a commercial services basis, and together as a team we've achieved a lot. So I'd like to present you with the runner-up award.
Oh, fantastic.
So congratulations.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you very much. That's amazing. I never expected that. Oh,
So
that's
congratulations.
superb.
That's great. Great to see Stuart's reaction there. Lovely. And it was a very different category to adjudicate over. So I'm really pleased for Stuart. Okay, so moving on to the winner. This might be someone we might have heard from before. So this is an individual who was nominated by the ward staff because they were recognised for balancing effectively their clinical and managerial roles and providing excellent leadership to the team. Really contributed to improving morale in the ward area in which they work. So the team highlighted a series of improvements that they've delivered to patients that their manager led and enabled the team to contribute towards. And it resulted in them winning best placed team, placement team, in the Cardiff University Awards last year. So, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Rebecca Williams. Well done, Rebecca.
Wow, Beck, on behalf of everyone at Seaforth, you were the Manager of the Year.
Well done, Becky. Becky, turn yourself on. Becky, turn yourself on again. Quick, get one of the kids to unmute you.
Yes.
Becky, how are you feeling?
Absolutely chuffed to bits. I was really, really surprised. It was a lovely, lovely award to get. I was really, really chuffed.
Was it weird sitting on your own in an empty room with a mask on?
Yes, it was really, really weird. Yeah, and it was a complete surprise. They told me somebody needed me quickly out into the waiting room, so I rushed out thinking there'd be a sick child there, and actually, luckily there wasn't. Yeah, so it was a real surprise. So it was lovely.
Your two little boys, are you proud of your mum?
So proud, really proud.
Oh,
they say that now. They'll.
That is amazing. And as a treat, Mum said you can do all the cooking and washing up for an entire week. Well done.
Brilliant. I can't wait.
Fabulous stuff. Congratulations, Becky.
Thank you very much.
A lovely tweet here from Len. Wyn Evans is doing a unique job. Thanks, Len. Anyway, right. For unique, insert your own word there. Right, this is the Quality, Sustainability and Efficiency Award given to an individual recognising this category will have generated effective ideas for improving efficiency, have implemented changes that maintain and improve safety and quality of patient care, whilst improving efficiency and, of course, as is always important, value for money. To introduce the nominee and to announce the winner and runner-up is the Interim Executive Director of Finance, is Chris Lewis.
First of all, I'd like to thank Blake Morgan for their sponsorship of this award. The Quality, Sustainability and Efficiency Award is awarded to a team or individual recognised to have generated effective ideas for improving efficiency or have implemented change that maintain and improve patient outcome or services whilst improving efficiency. The nominations for the Quality, Sustainability and Efficiency Award are Let's start with the runner-up. This is a superb example of a team going the extra mile, going above and beyond what's expected to maintain services to the UHB, specifically University Hospital Llandoch. The financial savings are significant whilst maintaining the effective running of the hospital. A significant positive attitude and team working is commended throughout this improvement process. The runner-up is the University Hospital Llandoch Estates Mechanical Team.
The reason I got you in here today is because of the really good work you've done with taking on the boiler house contract. You've saved the trust overall £140,000 a year. You know, as a mechanical team, you've all stepped up to the mark. So I want to give you, it's a Runners-Up Award for Quality, Sustainability and Efficiency Award, which I put you all in for. Gareth,
yes,
as head of the mechanical team, would you accept that, please?
Thank you.
So, as I say, really appreciate what you've done, because obviously you've all had to do training, the whole of the mechanical team, but obviously I couldn't have everybody in here today, and I think you guys have been on top form, so thank you very much.
Now for the winner. The introduction of this pathway has shown whole service improvement. This has seen a saving on consultant time and a significant financial saving in treatment packs. It also improves patient experiences as they are being treated closer to home, which is in line with the UHB strategy. The winner is the ophthalmology team, Macular Service.
So I'm Kath, I'm the senior nurse, I work with Andy and Sharon.
Right.
Unfortunately, Andy and Sharon, neither of them could be here today,
Right.
so I've come down on their behalf.
Yeah.
But you've been nominated for your fantastic work.
Thank you.
And the way you've taken the Macular Clinic forward and things like that. And your service really, the Macular Service in particular, for a Surgery Star
Oh, right.
Award. So I'm thrilled to
Thank you.
give it to you today.
Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Thank you very much. And thanks to Chris for memorizing that and not just reading it off a piece of paper. So the next award is the Equality, Diversity. The penny's only dropping with some of you. That's fine. The Equality, the Diversity and Human Rights Award. It's a particularly a wonderful award, this, and it's to acknowledge an individual who has recognized the individual needs of patients and colleagues and taken action to value diversity and to promote equality and human rights. To introduce the nominees and announce the winner and runner-up is the independent member, Susan Elsmore.
Thank you, Wyn, and good evening, everyone. Can I just say, I so miss you. I was going to say, I so miss Cardiff City Hall and the atmosphere that's inspired and the sound you all make. So first of all, it's an absolute pleasure to be here. Can I thank Gleeds, our sponsor for this award. The Equality, Diversity and Human Rights Award, as Glyn said, is to acknowledge an individual. The nominations for Equality, Diversity and Human Rights Award are going to appear on your screen now. The runner-up. This work involved the protection of a fundamental human right, values-based work, collaborative working, and an interagency response led by this individual meant that a life was positively changed and sends a message that modern-day slavery will not be accepted by this organisation. I'm delighted to announce that the runner-up is Deborah Harry.
Do you remember you were nominated for the Surgical Star Awards?
Oh my gosh.
For the fabulous work you did with all those very difficult patients with human rights problems and vulnerable adults and SSU.
I do.
And you're a runner-up.
Oh, fantastic.
So unfortunately, we can't have a big presentation ceremony, but I'm really thrilled to give you that.
Thank you very much.
And just to say,
I'd forgotten
well
about
done
it,
for all your good work.
Thank
You
you.
guys really, I know you represent the team, but you really deserve that, and you lead them. They do really well.
Well done to Deborah. And now to the winner. And this is a sensitive area of work involving community engagement, third sector partnership, working, and the empathic and non-judgmental setting has led to significant and successful involvement of a seldom heard from group, sensitive provision and empowerment to women who have experienced FGM, female genital mutilation, is inspirational. I'm delighted to announce the winner is Judith Cutter.
Judith Cutter, do you remember you were nominated in the Equality and Diversity Group for the Staff Recognition Awards for the work that you've done for the support of wellbeing of women in Ireland? So great for our group of women in Cardiff and Vale.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely delighted to let you know that you are. Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Judith, congratulations. I don't know if Judith is here. I can't see. I'm looking for people waving. Yeah, there you are, Judith. Judith, I'm going to unmute you. Oh, no, I can't unmute you. Unmute yourself, Judith.
Hi.
Hi,
Thank
Judith.
you so
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How mean of them to come and film you whilst you were having a piece of cake.
Awful. Actually, it was mango, but it was, I'm so embarrassed. It was awful.
Oh, congratulations. How important is receiving an award like this?
Oh, absolutely. It's so important, but it's important for the women that we offer this service to. It's all about them. We wouldn't do what we do without these women. So it's all about them.
Absolutely.
Thank
and
you.
like everybody else, giving yourself so selflessly. Thank you so much for everything you do. As Councillor Susan Elsmore said, City Hall, we all miss City Hall, I'm sure. I've done hundreds of events in City Hall, and if we were there tonight, there is 3 things that I could promise you. Tomato soup, chicken, and a trio of desserts, always the same menu. Right, okay, the next one is the Health at Work and Wellbeing Award. And it's to recognise an individual who has made positive changes to their lifestyle in order to improve their health and has supported others to promote a healthy working environment for their colleagues. To introduce the nominees and to announce the winner and runner-up in the Unison branch is the Unison Branch Secretary, Mike Jones.
I'd like to thank DRAC Consulting for their sponsorship of this award. The Health at Work and Wellbeing Award is to recognise an individual who has made positive changes to their lifestyle in order to improve their health and has supported others to promote a healthy working environment for their colleagues. The nominations for the Health, Work and Wellbeing Award are shown on your screen. The runner-up. This team in surgery took on the Beat the Flu campaign challenge by creating a formal group to ensure that clinical board staff had the opportunity to have the flu jab. It led to a clear positive impact with a 20% rise in staff getting the jab and the board hitting the 60% target. The runner-up is Beat the Flu campaign.
Kath Daniels nominated you for a Health at Work and Wellbeing Award at the Staff Recognition Awards. And if you remember, it was cancelled, the award ceremony, but you all came runners-up for the Surgical Award flu team last year.
Fantastic.
So I'm going to hand it to Gail because she was the flu champion.
Thank you
for
very
us.
much. This is a great
Very nice.
achievement. We're very pleased to accept this award on behalf of all the flu champions in Cardiff Vale Surgical Board.
And now on to the winner. This winner, after noticing an issue about the lack of awareness on mindfulness with her colleagues, she took substantial steps to address by offering a course with fellow mental health staff. The clear positive impact of the course for the 150 staff meant a considerable improvement in the well-being of the team. The winner is Gail Evans.
I have an award for you. You are the winner of Staff Recognition Awards 2020, Health at Work and Wellbeing Award.
Oh, wow.
For the mindfulness course for staff. So on behalf of all the staff that you have helped with the mindfulness course.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, you deserve it.
Oh.
Thanks very much, and congratulations there to Gail, and thank you very, very much indeed to Mike for presenting that. Now, the next one up is the Leadership Award, and to present this to the winners and runners-up is the Deputy Chief Executive and Director of Workforce and Organisation Development. That is a hell of a badge, let me tell you that. The Deputy Chief Executive and Director of Workforce and Organisational Development. Must go right over his arm, practically. It's Martin Driscoll.
I'm wearing my nameplate across my chins. Firstly, in the Leadership Award, can I thank Stride Tridlan for sponsoring the award. And as we said, leadership is there to recognise members of staff who've demonstrated a significant difference through their leadership. And the nominations are shown on your screen. So quite a lot of nominations in this category, but the runner-up. Running award requires many leadership qualities. This individual is highly skilled, calm, and easily approachable. The individual is always keen to promote practices that will support and nurture nursing students and newly qualified nurses to be confident and skilled for the demanding work, including the Nurse Foundation Programme and the Orange Badge System. They are a true leader who thoroughly deserve this nomination. And the runner-up is Andrew Brown.
So the plan now is that we're going around the ward and doing a virtual recognition ceremony.
Right.
I'm pleased to tell you that in recognition of your exceptional leadership skills on A6 throughout COVID and beyond, you've been awarded the runner-up in this category. So I'd like to give you...
Thank you very much.
Fantastic. That was brilliant and sneaky and low key, wasn't it? Now that's to the winner. Parents of young children frequently complain of sleep deprivation. This can seriously impact upon their quality of life and ability to function on a daily basis. Those with children with additional needs, such as ADHD and autism, are challenged on a daily basis by the demands of parenting as well. This individual health visitor has single-handedly, over the past year, trained the entire health visiting workforce in sleep management, combining the role with a health visiting post. It's impressive this individual's initiated such an excellent improvement to health visiting services over a relatively short period of time. It will lead to reduction in sleep problems and provide a real help to many families. The winner is Hannah Edmonds.
So well done, Hannah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, Hannah, and almost left hanging on the elbow there. Never mind, better luck next time. Right, Martin, thank you very, very much, and I thought you did brilliantly this time. Superb. Right, next one up. Next one up is the Acting Today for a Better Tomorrow, Wellbeing of Future Generations. And to announce the winner and runner-up of this is the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board Executive Director of Public Health, Fiona Kinghorn.
Oh, thank you very much. Well, I'm delighted to be here and you're doing a wonderful job. So I'd firstly like to thank Building Management Solutions Integrator for sponsoring this award. And what better an award to think about in this COVID times that we're living in. And the nominations for the Acting Today for a Better Tomorrow award are shown on your screen. So the runner-up. So both individuals demonstrated excellent engagement skills with different groups in the local community, parents with young children and young people in challenging circumstances. In addition, they've both gone above and beyond to apply action on sustainability in their local team, including eco-brick manufacture to make usable furniture. So the runners-up are Shanice Bolat and Jack Marshall.
The reason we brought you down here is just to say there's, within the Health Board, there's something called the Staff Recognition Awards. And unfortunately, they were cancelled this year due to COVID. Yeah. But I'm pleased to announce that you and Shanice have both been awarded the runners-up in Acting Today for a Better Tomorrow. Really? Yeah. Shanice?
Oh, where she is.
There's an award for you.
Oh, she's there, she is. Oh, that's great.
Oh, well done both. That was impressive social distancing. And the winner. So this multi-agency approach, providing people over 65 at risk of falls assessment and advice in their local communities, clearly demonstrates the 5 ways of working. Involvement, working with many partners from our local government, third sector, police and fire and rescue. Collaboration, prevention and balancing the short-term service needs while supporting the long-term well-being of older people. They've shown significant results and impact. So the winner is the Stay Steady Clinics team. Well done.
Hello, Falls team. Hello. I'm really proud to present you with this award for Acting Today for a Better Tomorrow. You're the winner in this category for your fabulous face-to-face Staying Steady Clinics in Cardiff. You've all done a fantastic job. The clinics are amazing. And you've done a great job in the face of COVID, transferring those into virtual clinics. So you've been really proactive and adaptive. So congratulations and well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Brilliant stuff there. Thank you, Fiona. And thank you, Shanice, for virtually appearing in a virtual ceremony. That was impressive in itself. I didn't see that one coming, that is for sure. Right, Wobr Nessa, the next prize, a Iaith Gymraeg Wobr, the Welsh Language Award, to acknowledge an individual who has provided quality bilingual healthcare or has developed an idea to improve the quality of bilingual health for Welsh-speaking patients. To introduce the nominees, and the winner and runner-up is the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board independent member, Sarah Mosley. Sarah with us? Hello, Sarah. Let me just take this opportunity while I'm looking for Sarah, that if anybody's looking for good value car insurance, I'm definitely your man for that. Can't see Sarah. Don't know if Sarah's here. Sarah, are you here? No, Sarah's not here. So I'll take the mantle on this one, I guess. I'm waiting for somebody to text me to tell me what's going on. Carl's going to tell me. Can't play the video. Yes, we can't play the video.
We've got a video. Oh, no, sorry, we can't play the video.
We can't play the video. Nicola there, Nicola Punter, the reason why I'm here tonight, if anybody has not already blocked Nicola on Twitter, now would be a good idea to do so. She hounded me to come and present these awards tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take over on this one, on the Welsh language one. So the nominations for the Welsh Language Award are on the screen in front of us now, I think. Yes, there they are. There's the nominations. Right, the runner-up. This team shows what can be achieved by working together to improve the use of the Welsh language for the service users. The panel were particularly impressed with the feedback the team have received in Welsh, which illustrates the impact that providing a service in Welsh can have. The runners-up are the Health Visiting Team for Welsh speakers.
What families were saying was that they wanted to access our service through the Welsh language. So we've got a team of you together to provide that service, and we're really, really pleased that you've engaged with that. It means a lot to us as a management team, but also a lot to the families out there that they can now receive their service in Welsh. So, llongyfarchiadau mawr.
Diolch yn fawr. Thank you. That's lovely.
Yeah, llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Right. The winner, yr enillydd yw, now the successful applicant impressed the judging panel with their personal commitment to the development of the Welsh language, both personally and in their speciality. Recognising that there was a gap in the availability of communication aids in the medium of Welsh, this person created a working party to work with external companies to address the issue and to improve the range of Welsh language services. This is especially impressive as the individual is a non-Welsh speaker themselves, and the winner is Jessica Child.
Helo, dwi isio deud diolch yn fawr iawn. Wnes I ddim yn meddwl ffasa I ennill, felly mae'n golygu llawer. So, diolch. Dwi'n mwynhau dysgu Cymraeg, ond dwi'n dal angen gwella a dysgu mwy. Dwi'n hapus iawn fi mod I wedi gwneud gwahaniaeth i'r plant sy'n siarad yn Gymraeg. So, diolch eto.
Llongyfarchiadau, Jessica. Congratulations to Jessica Child. I don't know if her surname is actually Child or whether that was just describing the video. Was that meant to be Jessica and Child? Or is her name? No, I'm being told her name is actually Jessica Child. So great. Fabulous. And thank you very much. And congratulations to Jessica. Next one up is the group of people, really, that I don't suppose the NHS could properly function without these people. Volunteer of the Year. Through my show on BBC Radio Wales, I was able to accompany two ladies who took the sweet trolley around the wards at the University Hospital of Wales at the Heath. And believe me, I didn't know that two people could move as fast as those ladies. And this is true of all the volunteers that we see right across the hospitals at the University Health Board. And to announce the winner and the runner-up is the Chief Operating Officer, Steve Loves-a-Curry.
Thank you, Wayne, and I definitely haven't heard that one before. So, good evening, everyone, and thank you for the opportunity for presenting the Volunteer of the Year Award. I think the unsung heroes of the services that we provide. I'd like to also thank Interserve for sponsoring this award tonight, and I'll go straight into the runner-up. And this team is described by staff and patients as simply awesome. They have shared their personal journey in helping others and in volunteering to help those with addiction problems. Between them, they have contributed more than 800 hours of volunteering, quite remarkable. And the runners-up are Myrian Evans and Mohan Patel. Congratulations.
Myrian, I'd like to announce that you and Mohan are Volunteer of the Year 2020 runners-up. So I'd like to present you that award, mate, there. Well done.
Thanks to putting us in for a start.
Thank you for all your hard work and everything you do at the hospital and how you enable us to do our job. So thank you.
Excellent. Congratulations to Myrian and to Mohan. And now to the winner. The winner, this person themselves described themselves as socially isolated before volunteering. Despite this, and despite their own struggles with communicating, they have undertaken the role of a buddy volunteer for some time. This has helped others enormously, whilst helping their own confidence and building their own confidence as well. So for all of their volunteering work, including working at the spa shop in University Hospital Landock, as well as the mobile library in Landock, many congratulations to Ethan Prosser.
I've just come here today to say, how are you?
Yeah,
you okay?
Bye.
Yeah, everybody's missing you at Landock, and Colin, we're all
Yeah.
missing you. But I just wanted to come and say that you are our volunteer of the year.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
So proud of you.
And we are
I
proud.
think I'm a football team.
Yeah, we are really proud. So congratulations.
Hey, my championship.
Go on then, Colin, you can give it to him.
There we are.
Well done.
Oh, well done, mate. Well done.
Yeah, we are really proud.
Excellent. Congratulations, Ethan. I think that's made my night as much as it's made Ethan's. Congratulations.
Ethan, well done, mate. That is sensational. What an award to win. Brilliant stuff. And as he said, his Champions League. Right, next up is the star of the year. To announce this, Michael Imperato, one of the independent members.
Thank you, Wyn. I'm very honoured to be asked to present this award. It is a great shame we're not in City Hall. And I can say that Wyn's comments about the menu there has made me feel very hungry, actually. But moving on to the award. This is the Health Charity Star of the Year Award. It's been sponsored by the Cardiff and the Vale charity. And the Star of the Year Award is to be presented for individuals or teams' contributions towards the Cardiff and the Vale charity. So I'm not sure if we have the nomination slide, but we have two joint winners for this award. And the first joint winner is, drum roll, first joint winner is Victoria Collins. Oh, sorry. Yes, Victoria Collins. We'll do Victoria Collins as the first joint winner. Victoria, known as...
You've been voted by the health charity for the Star of the Year award.
Wow.
Okay, and that was for you. So you've been nominated by staff within the area.
Yes, can we just say about Victoria, known as Tor, she's a senior physiotherapist, works at the breast centre at Landock Hospital, and since joining the team, she's made a huge difference to patients. She's initiated teams with, lots of organised walks up Pen y Fan, Cardiff Barrage. She's been instrumental in setting up private swimming lessons to patients with breast cancer surgery who need support and confidence to get back in the pool. She's done marathons, 5Ks, and also is a fabulous baker of cakes, I understand as well. So she's a fantastic ambassador for the Breast Centre appeal and is at the centre of all her professionalism and enthusiasm is at the centre of all she does. So well done, Tor, on that. And our second winner, you had a brief glimpse of that. Our second winner is Spyro Pizarros. I bet I pronounced that wrong, but Spyro.
I'd like to
Thank you
give you
very
this, that Nikki's brought up. There you go.
Star of the Year Award winner.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much. I'm really speechless.
Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much, Michael. Congratulations to both those winners, both Spiro and Victoria. Victoria, you're doing really well. Is that your second award of the night, Victoria? It is. Well done. Those glitter jumpers are really bringing you lots of luck, and congratulations. All right, don't milk it. And next time you bake a cake, that's all I'm saying. I've got my Home Alone Christmas jumper on, feeling good. Right. Patient Experience Award is to recognise an individual who's made positive improvements to the patient, client and carer experience. And to announce the runner-up and the winners is the Cardiff and Vale University Health Board Executive Director of Nursing, Ruth Walker.
So we're here today to award the Patient Care and Experience Award. And I'd like to begin by thanking Unison and ET&S Construction for their sponsorship of this award. The Patient Experience Award is to recognise an individual or a team of people who have made positive improvements to patient, client or carer experiences and demonstrated respect, care and kindness. But during the judging process this year, there were so many fantastic nominees for the Patient Care and Experience Award, it has been judged in 3 categories. Those categories are patient care, patient experience, and patient care and engagement. So the first category winner, which is the winner of the Patient Care Award, goes to Dr. Rhian Murphy and Stacey McIntyre.
So you actually have to hold it together.
Thank you so much.
And why did they win this award, you might ask? Well, a little boy with newly diagnosed diabetes had to leave his foster home for 6 years. Sadly, 2 further placements did not work out and he had to be cared for in emergency residential care. Rhian and Stacey visited the home, trained the staff and became this little boy's constant during this very difficult transition through this very difficult time for him. They helped him in coping with his new diagnosis. Before Christmas, Stacey found his letter to Santa and they contacted Dreams and Wishes to make sure that he received those gifts that he'd asked for from Santa. But he really wanted a Minecraft game, which was the Christmas bestseller, of course, that year. Rhian and Stacey spent the weekend before Christmas searching every game shop to make a little boy's Christmas truly special. And the category 2 winner for the Patient Experience Award, the winner of this award goes to Daffodil Ward. The ward team discussed with patients that what they would like to see on the ward to enhance their recovery. This has led to a patient salon, a carers cafe, a quiet room, and more recently a relaxation room being developed. The ward has been chosen by Marks and Spencer's as a charity of the year, and the monies donated will fund the garden area, a therapeutic space to grow vegetables and an area to relax with family and friends. The ward feels homely. Staff always involve patients and carers in decisions about the environment. And for those reasons, they were awarded the Patient Experience Award. And the third category within the Patient Care and Experience Award is the winner of the Patient Care and Engagement Award. And this award goes to Rebecca Soundy.
So, Beck, you have been nominated for a Staff Recognition Award.
What?
And you were nominated in the category for patient care and engagement for your support of young adults and children with diabetes. And you are a winner.
Oh, what? Oh.
Rebecca trained and supported 4 young people with diabetes to participate on a young interviewers panel, thus developing personal, social and educational skills. Rebecca works with the young to develop their voice, influence and place in society, and to achieve their full potential. This project is in line with the UHB's Children and Young People's Health Charter and the UN Conventions on the Rights of the Child. It is hoped that in 2020, the Young Interviewers panel become common practice within this UHB. And for that reason, they are the winners of this award.
Oh, well done to all of those. I loved Rebecca's response. 2 things I loved. I loved Rebecca's response, and I loved the award being passed around. That was a wonderful moment as well. So the next one is the Living Our Values Award. And to introduce this is the Executive Director of Therapies and Health Science, Fiona Jenkins.
Hello, I'm delighted to give this award, and what a shame that we're not in Cardiff City Hall. So I've brought a prop with me to make it seasonal. So I will hold this whilst we present the award, and this is the Living Our Values Award, and it's been kindly donated and sponsored by Unison. So the Living Our Values Award is not just what we do, but it's also the way that we do it. The way that we do things is really important to our patients, to our visitors, and to our staff. We hear great stories every day about how the staff across the organisation are making a positive impact on the lives of others. These staff live and breathe the values and the behaviours that we as an organisation agreed through our Values into Action project. The 4 values, as a reminder, are kind and caring, respectful, trust and integrity, and personal responsibility. So the nominations for the Living Our Values Award are shown on your screen. And you can see that we had plenty. So if I go now into the runners-up, these individuals impressed the judges by their great resilience, their determination, and their excellent collaboration, working across a wide range of organisations and services to get the right outcome for a frail, homeless gentleman, achieving what seemingly seemed to be impossible by working with Age Connect to find a home for a man and to kit it out to enable him to have his own home. Kind and caring was pushed to the limits. So the runner-up is Kirsty Evans and Poppy Davis.
Seeing all your hard work has made us really proud, and we'd like to present you with the award.
Oh, thank you.
Fantastic work, and what a difference they made. So let's go to the winner. So I'm going to hand the Christmas tree to the winner through the screen. The winner, this individual has been instrumental in designing and delivering an excellent and innovative physiotherapy wellbeing service for breast care patients. They do what is right and isn't limited by any barriers, working with local leisure centres to set up a dedicated gym and swimming sessions for women following breast surgery, and has also worked to develop the BAPS app. She even organised a weekend walk at Penavan. I seem to think that's 2 weekend walks she's had at Penavan, and there is an absolute inspiration for staff and patients. As well as being an avid tweeter, she truly lives the UHB values and behaviours. So the winner of her 3rd award of the evening is Victoria Collins.
Because this is the Living Our Values Award, and I think you typify that across the organisation, the commitment that you've got to your patients, going above and beyond and doing things you know, taking the initiative on behalf of your patients has been nothing short of exceptional, and your team members as well actually have put forward your nomination for that. Okay.
Oh,
thank you very much.
So much.
Well, Victoria Bach, where are you? Where have you gone on my screen, Sparkles? Right, turn your mic off because you've won 3. You've got the hat trick. You get to take, hello. You get to take everything home with you. Oh my word!
I'm lucky.
You're very lucky, but obviously very committed to your job. What is it that drives you every day?
Making a difference.
Just
That's
simply that.
why I joined the NHS.
And what do you love about your job, apart from making that difference? What are the parts of your job that you get home and you think, yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to walk up Pen y Fan again.
Well, my patients have a pretty raw end of the deal. So just seeing them smile, seeing them make different, you know, get better, get fitter, get stronger, feel more empowered. What more can you ask for?
Absolutely. And how do you intend to celebrate tonight with all that glassware?
A very large glass of gin.
Hey, congratulations and thank you so much for everything you do. That's Victoria.
Thank
well done,
you.
Victoria. Okay. Next up is the, where am I up to? The People's Choice Award, I think. Right, this gives the chance for the public as well as employees to have their say. Now, to announce this one is the Director of Corporate Governance, Nicola Foreman. Good evening, Nicola.
First of all, I would like to thank the health charity for sponsoring the People's Choice Award. The People's Choice Award gives a chance for the public as well as employees to have their say. We have received 22 entries. This has been very popular and over 2,000 votes have been cast. The nominations for the People's Choice Award are: she was part of a team of midwives that looked after me with all 4 of my children, the eldest now 22. And now I'm honoured to call her my colleague. She is so kind, caring, gentle and compassionate. A midwife who has dedicated her whole career, 35 years, to provide an exceptional care to the women on her caseload. They are very lucky to have her. She also offers antenatal classes at Lanishan Medical Centre every week. She is qualified to perform newborn examinations in the hospital or in the community. She ensures that new families can be discharged from hospital in a timely manner without having to wait for a paediatric doctor to attend. She is also part of the Seren team, offering much valued breastfeeding support to mothers. She teaches antenatal breastfeeding workshops for new mothers. They are always very highly evaluated. In addition to all this, she organises our social fund and ensures that any team member suffering with illness and bereavement or celebrating birth or retirement gets a card, flowers, presents. She does all this in her own time and she is extremely thoughtful. She's also very modest and would never expect praise or accolades, which is why I think she deserves to be nominated and shortlisted. She is really wonderful and inspired me to become a midwife. The winner is Julie Daly.
So we've called this meeting, it's a bit of a ruse really, a bit of a secret surprise. We've been trying to get Julie here without anybody knowing, because back in February I nominated you for, I'm going to cry, for the Staff Net Recognition Award, which is the People's Choice Award, and I'm honoured to tell you that you won.
Oh, how wonderful was that? Congratulations to you, Julie Daly. I can see you there. You're at the top of my screen, sat on your sofa, a glass of champagne in hand. How wonderful. Congratulations. We raise a glass to you and we thank you for everything that you continue to do. The next award is the Research and Development Award, and to announce the winner and runner-up is the Executive Medical Director, Stuart Walker.
Sorry, just coming off mute. Firstly, I'd like to thank Gleeds for the sponsorship of this event, which I think is the second event they've sponsored this evening. The Research and Development Award recognises staff involved in any research or development that has impacted positively on patient care or on the wider community. The nomination could reflect new developments, publications, presentations, or producing research data. And this year, especially when our R&D performance has been so strong, it's been mentioned in 10 Downing Street, this is a fantastic award to be nominated for and indeed to win. So the nominations for the R&D award are, I think, about to come on the screen. Now, the runner-up, this person is an inspirational leader and an excellent trainer. They put the patient at the centre of all they do and thus ensure the safest and highest possible quality of patient care. They're exceptional in the R&D tasks, so authoring, undertaking, monitoring R&D processes, policy writing, policy updating, auditing research, gathering evidence, and most importantly, they empower everybody involved in perioperative care to ask the essential question: why do you do what you do, and can we do it better? And the runner-up is Barbara Jones.
I'm so proud and so glad to be presented this to you, Babs.
Thank you.
Right. And obviously thank you to Linda as well for putting the nomination in. I would give you a hug if I could.
Oh, virtual hug.
So I was just throwing my ball at the light switch because the light's automatically gone off. The winner of the award, this person works tirelessly to maximise the opportunities for breast cancer patients. But I'll thank you, Ruth, by collaborating very closely and successfully with all members of the Landmark breast team, and especially with Breast Test Wales, Public Health Wales, Valindra and Cardiff University. In doing so, they embed a culture that allows the benefits from clinical trials to be delivered in all our routine care pathways, which is absolutely essential. And so on this big night for the breast care team in Landmark, I'm delighted to announce that the winner is Zoe Hilton.
Fabulous work. Over to Sue.
That's for building an excellent research culture in the breast group.
Oh my God, thank you.
Oh. Oh, well done. And the breast group are doing fantastically well this evening. Congratulations to you all. Zoe, I can see you there. Congratulations. Well done. And thank you so much. Right. The next one, the Chair and Chief Executives Award. This will be presented, the winner and the runners-up, by Charles how do I say your surname, Charles? Janskevsky, the Chief Executive, and the Chief Executive, Len Richards. Len, I can say your name. Charles, give me a clue.
It's Janchevsky win.
Janchevsky.
Yeah.
It sounds much easier when you say it, Charles. That could be because it's your name.
That helps.
Yeah. Charles, what are we thinking? Who might be the runners-up and who might be the winners?
Well, thank you, Wyn, very much. And before I start, I'd like to thank Gleeds for kindly sponsoring this award. The Chair and Chief Executives Award is all about our mission, really, caring for people and keeping them well. This award recognises an individual who day in and day out demonstrates the Health Board's core values of kind and caring, integrity, respect and personal responsibility. An award specifically for our unsung heroes. The nominations for the Chair and Chief Executive Awards are now shown on your screen, hopefully. Here they are, quite a few. Okay, the runner-up first. This individual is a frontline member of staff whom everyone contacting the team speaks to or sees first. They're always professional and effectively juggle multiple visits and calls to the clinic, often by patients who have significant social and mental health problems. They are reliable, efficient, and rarely complain. They've made a marked difference to well-being and engagement of many patients. The runner-up is Karina Edwards.
You're very knowledgeable about our service, the drug service in particular, and you're really pleasant with the staff, the patients, well, not all the staff, you know, you're really amenable, you're approachable, and actually, if you can't do something, you'll say you can't do it and whatever. And actually, we just think that you're great in the team, and obviously it's a credit to Carol as your manager as well, putting you through the training and whatever, so it's fantastic and really well done. We've had to keep it all top secret, so nobody knows other than us at the minute. So,
thank you.
But I'll let Melissa know, because Melissa nominated you as well, so fantastic.
Thank you.
Well done, Karina. At this point, we were due to hand over to Len Richards, but due to technical hitch, I'm having to carry on his behalf. So hope you don't mind, Len.
No, that's fine.
Or did you want to say something?
No, you carry on. You carry on, yeah.
All right, well, we're on to the winner. This individual is the first point of call for patients, being helping children and their families manage life-threatening and complex diseases. They have always offered reliable advice and are both a friend and support to the young people who they inspire every day. They have improved the consenting process, reduced cancellations, and improved the patient journey for children. Their commitment to the Health Board values are embodied in the way they prepare families, providing support at home, and has taken on the responsibility and passionately demonstrates utmost care and respect for families. They are an outstanding nurse and an asset to the institution, improving the lives of hundreds of children with gut disorders and their families across South Wales. The winner is Emma Trow.
We were told just a couple of weeks ago, and we wondered how best to do it because the glitzy dinner isn't happening. So here we are, Emma Trow, Staff Recognition Awards, the Chair and Chief Executive Award winner. Congratulations.
Have we lost Win?
No, I'm here. I'm here. I was waiting for you to continue. So we've got to Emma now. I've got 2 more awards to go. Is this for Len to do? I'm not entirely sure. Len, are you going to take over here?
No, this is for Jan's going to do. This is the Chair's Commendation Award.
So Jan, you have. Where's Jan?
I'm here, but can you keep up, Win, please?
Well, Jan, you've thrown me somewhat of a banana pass now. For a start, I thought your name was Charles. Now you've changed it to Jan. I didn't know that was an even possible thing to do. So, Jan, what are you playing at, quite frankly? Throwing to me when you know you've got to continue yourself. Are you trying to make me look more of an idiot than I already am without that on the wall behind me?
Very hard to do that, Win.
Jan, I love you desperately. Please continue.
Okay, thank you, Win. This is the Chair's Commendation Awards, and as with all of these selection processes, the decisions to make are very tough, but I've ended up going for 2 winners this year. And I'd like to thank BMSI for their sponsoring of this event very much. So thank you, BMSI. There are 2 winners. So the first winner, a wonderfully loyal and committed member of staff who has exceptional work ethic. This individual epitomizes the values of the Health Board and makes a difference every day to our patients and their families by constantly contributing to and improving the smart appearance of our staff. An amazing contribution to the NHS over the last 65 years. This winner is Marion Willis. Congratulations, Marion.
So I've come here to give you the award today because you have been a winner for the recognition of all the work you've done over the years. I understand you started in 1955.
St David's.
So this is your award. Alright, and it's the Chair's Commendation.
Absolutely brilliant.
Oh, that is absolutely wonderful. And Jan, before you close, I know Simon wanted to say a few words. Simon, what would you like to say about Marion?
Except, I hope you can hear me okay. Just exceptional. 66 years of service. The stories, the experience, and everything she has done over the years is just absolutely exceptional. So well deserved. And, I couldn't really see any other winners, to be honest with you. But fantastic, and thanks to the execs for the award for her.
Wonderful stuff, Jan. I know you've got one more. Over to you.
Thank you, Wyn. I was just thinking, when 65 years is about the same time as you've been doing the Go Compare advert, isn't it? Or it feels like it anyway. Okay, our second winner in this category then. This is an individual who consistently demonstrates the Health Board values in a day-to-day role, showing compassion and kindness to individuals and their families in difficult situations in her role as a member of the Community Resource Team. Adding a new dimension to go in the extra mile, this individual willingly donated her bone marrow to a child in need and was back in work only 1 week after her life-changing procedure. This winner is Olivia Kendall.
We wanted to nominate you for the award just to let you know how proud we are of you for doing such an amazing thing. So, congratulations!
Thank you so much. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, thank you! Oh, that's so cool! Oh, thank you, Andre.
Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations to Olivia. Jan, I think you're going to make some closing remarks.
Yes, thank you, Wyn, very much. And what I would say, first of all, is Noswaith Pawb. Good evening, everybody. And thank you again for joining us at this virtual recognition awards ceremony. I hope you've enjoyed this evening as much as I have. I'm sure we all wish that we could have spent the evening together in person, but I'm nonetheless delighted that we have been able to get together and make a big success of celebrating the outstanding achievements. Thank you for the Learning, Education and Development team for their organising this event today, and to our communications team for their valuable support. It can be easy to underestimate the countless successes that happen in an organisation every year, especially when there is such an intense focus on dealing with challenges such as those that we faced in 2020. That's why, as Len attested earlier this evening, it's important that we take a moment to step back and recognise the amazing achievements of our staff. As we've seen this evening, we are lucky to have a talented workforce here at Cardiff and Vale who continue to achieve incredible things. It's been a privilege to hear how individuals and teams from right across the organisation have gone above and beyond to provide care at the highest level. And I'm pleased that we've been able to celebrate their success this evening, albeit slightly later than we had originally planned. I would like to share my personal thanks with all of our nominees and winners, who are all stars and more than worthy of the recognition that you have received tonight. The dedication, compassion, and commitment to care that you've all shown is nothing short of inspiring. They're characteristics that are typical of staff right across our organisation, which has particularly shone through in how we've admirably coped with the responses to the COVID-19 pandemic together this year. Thank you to our Master Ceremonies, Wyn Evans. I'd like to say go compare him, but he's incomparable. He's been fabulous tonight, so thank you very much, Wyn, for expertly guiding us through this evening's proceedings. And congratulations once again to all of our brilliant winners and nominees. As we look forward to 2021, may I encourage you all to support our colleagues and look after yourselves. Support is available for everybody who needs it, and please do access it if you feel the need. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening and have the opportunity to take some time to reflect and recharge over the festive period before we tackle what are hopefully the final few months of this pandemic. Wishing you all a peaceful, festive period and a safe new year. Nadolig llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda I gyd. Hwyl fawr.
Jan, thank you so much. Wonderful words there. I've been truly humbled this evening, just as a member of the public, really, an onlooker, to see what work goes on in the Cardiff and Vale Health Board, my local health board. You are the people that we rely on more than ever at the moment. You are our heroes of 2020, and I want to thank each and every one of you just as a member of public in Cardiff, for everything that you continue to do for us. Thank you so much. Len, Jan, thank you very much for leading this wonderful team. I want to wish you all a fantastic Christmas. I hope we shall see you next year in City Hall, in the flesh, free hugs all round, and a big old cwtch and a little tear, I'm sure. Happy Christmas, Nadolig Llywyn, a blwyddyn newydd dda. Have a wonderful new year. Nos da, good night.
Thank you very much, Wyn. Thank you.
Well done, Wyn. Thank you, everybody. Brilliant evening. Well done. Thank you, Nikki Bunter.